Running Facebook ads for your online website is one of the most confusing and mind-numbing things you need to learn if you want to be successful in the e-commerce world. I have had numerous different e-commerce websites at this point, and well, I haven't really been able to figure out Facebook ads enough to where sales started coming in like it was nothing. But in this video, that is going to hopefully change because I am going to be hiring a genius Facebook ads marketer from the country of India to see if she can position me in the right direction to buy that brand new Lamborghini I have always dreamed of. Getting right into it, the Fiverr seller who I am going to be trusting to run Facebook ads for my website, mywificoaster.com, has a listing titled, "I will do Facebook ads for Shopify stores." And then from there, she offers 3 different packages. One for $95, one for $170, and finally one for 375 bones. That is a lot of money, but luckily the price is based on how many products you want her to advertise for, and since I only have a 1-product Shopify store, I am going to pay for the $95 package. From there, she asked me to give her access to my Facebook Ads Manager, my Shopify store, and finally, she asked me to fill out some sort of questionnaire, answering questions about my Shopify store product and also my advertising budget. To be honest, this entire setup process got me a little bit sketched out due to all of the information I needed to provide, but since this Fiverr seller has very good reviews, I am going to trust her. Now that I have supplied all of this information to the Fiverr seller, it is time to play the waiting game and wait for the Fiverr seller to set up her Facebook ads at a budget of $30 per day. After all of that is completed, in the next couple of days, we are going to find out if paying someone to run Facebook ads for you is the move, or if I just made a financial decision I will never be able to recover from.
I am never gonna financially recover from this.
It has officially been 48 hours since we paid a seller on Fiverr to run Facebook ads for our tremendous new company. And well, as of right now, only 2 cents of our $25 daily budget has been spent. That $25 daily budget has been broken down across 5 different ad sets at a budget of $5 per day, and it'll be interesting to see how each of these ads perform as the day progresses. Alright guys, so it is currently 11:14 p.m. and unfortunately I have some bad news to share with you. We have spent a total of $20.73 on ads so far just to get a whopping $0 in sales. And on top of that, we haven't gotten a ton of link clicks to our website. So far there has only been 29 link clicks. So I think there definitely needs to be some improvement in the ads and also the video that we are displaying. I am going to continue working at everything until we get some consistent sales on our website. Trust me guys, I'm not going to give up this time. I'm going to keep working hard with this website until we make some paper. So guys, with that all being said, I will see you tomorrow, and trust me, it is going to get interesting. Alright guys, so it is currently 10 a.m. in the morning, and to start the day off, I am going to hop on a little call with some of my business partners, and we are going to talk about how to increase the conversion rate on our store, because yesterday we were getting a lot of add to carts and also views on our website, but for some reason, none of those were converting into sales for the business. And along with that, I am also going to be talking with them on how we can advertise the product outside of just Facebook ads. So with that being said, guys, let's get into the call. Alright, so basically, I just want to have you guys on to update you on everything that we're doing and then also brainstorm a bit. So before I knew it, I was deep into a conversation with my business partners, Tim and Justin. From our conversation, we reached a conclusion that to increase the conversion rate on the website, we are going to improve the video ad we are running on Facebook. And on top of that, Tim and I reached a conclusion that to better advertise our product, we were going to start reaching out to both local business owners and also homeowners directly to ask if they would like to buy our Wi-Fi coaster. With that call out of the way, I'm going to continue reaching out to both Instagram and YouTube tech influencers to ask if they would like to become an affiliate for our Wi-Fi coaster product. Along with that form of advertising, I am also going to continue running Facebook ads at a budget of $25 per day in hopes that we start getting some sales from it. Although our Facebook ads aren't performing well as of right now, I don't want to mess with them at all until at least $100 is spent. With that all being said, people, today should be a pretty interesting day for the business. I will give you guys an update later today with how the sales are going. And on top of that, tonight is going to be extremely interesting because I am going to try a relatively extreme method of advertising our product in hopes of getting some sales. Alright guys, so it is currently 6:30 p.m. and unfortunately, as of right now, we have not gotten any sales on our Wi-Fi Coaster website. So far, we have made $0 on our Facebook ads, which is extremely unfortunate, but luckily, I've got a plan, and I think this plan will hopefully work out pretty well. I've got 30 flyers with me advertising our Wi-Fi Coaster product and why someone who owns a home should buy one, and I'm going to be handing them out to a bunch of different houses in this neighborhood. I'm simply going to be putting it in their mailbox, and hopefully when they see the flyer, they'll decide to go to the website and use code SUMMERSALE for $10 off their order. So hopefully this works out, guys, and wish me luck. Over the next 25 to 30 minutes, my filmer Danielle and I handed out flyers advertising the Wi-Fi Coaster product. This entire process went pretty quickly and smoothly, and after we completed our duty of handing out all of the flyers, I ended up making a quick post on my Instagram story advertising the Wi-Fi coasters because the physical inventory I got for the product had just come in. Although we got a ton of website visits and add to carts from these two methods of advertising, none of the traffic we got converted into any cash money for our website. It has officially been 48 hours since we last spoke, and guys, I have some absolutely crazy stuff to share with you guys. After spending $53.85 on Facebook ads just to get a total of 79 link clicks to our website and 2 add to carts, my Facebook ads were taken down for copyright reasons. That is right, guys. The company whose product I am dropshipping by the name of 101 Design took down my Facebook ads under copyright grounds. That is absolutely insane to me because I don't understand why a company wouldn't want free promotion for their product. They are getting more sales and more profitability off of $0 in ad spend on their part, and for some reason, they're still getting mad by me dropshipping it. I actually reached out to the business directly several weeks ago and asked if I could become an authorized reseller for their product so I could get a discount on any bulk purchases I make. And for some reason, they declined my offer. So 101 Design, if you're watching this very video, well, that pretty much covers how I feel about you. Now comes the question, how are we going to continue building this business if the supplier we are sourcing from won't let us advertise through Facebook? Well, guys, I think it will all come down to finding a new supplier for our Wi-Fi coasters. This process won't be as easy as you guys think because there aren't a lot of companies producing these babies. But in the meantime, before we find another company to produce us Wi-Fi coasters with an IQ at least above Forrest Gump's, I am going to stick to advertising our product via both online social media influencers and also Instagram theme pages. This way of advertising isn't quite as scalable, but it will at least be a way for me to make some money with the website as I try and find a new supplier for the Wi-Fi coasters or consider maybe creating a new dropshipping website. So guys, on that note, I have just reached out to a bunch of Instagram theme pages in the technology niche, and I asked them what their rates were for a 24-hour feed post and link in bio. And on top of that, I have also reached out to a bunch of tech social media influencers in both the YouTube and Instagram space, and I asked them if they would like to become an affiliate for the Wi-Fi Coaster brand. I've definitely already been getting some interest in my offers, so guys, I will keep you updated on how everything goes. Alright guys, it is currently 3:45 p.m. and as of right now, I have gotten one Instagram influencer deal on a page by the name of Tech Dailies. This page has about 25k followers and 15.5% engagement, which is absolutely insane. I've actually worked with this page in the past for the Wi-Fi coaster product, and it ended up going pretty well, so I asked them what their rates were for a 24-hour feed post and link in bio, and they hit me with a price of $30. And guess what, guys?
She didn't get it.
Myself and the owner of the Instagram theme page ended up agreeing on a price of $25 for a 24-hour post and link in bio. I am excited to see how the promotion does, and I will 100% keep you guys all updated. So with that being said, I will see you guys tomorrow. Guys, I am literally so depressed right now. My Shopify store has been taken down by the evil 10-1 design for copyright reasons, and as of right now, I cannot make any sales on my Shopify store. So that meant I had to cancel all of the Instagram theme page promotions I had planned for today. Continuing to grow this business now is going to be extremely difficult because 10-1 Design full out bamboozled our Shopify dropshipping website, even though I was planning to find a new supplier anyway. I will keep you guys updated on this legal battle between 10-1 Design and the Wi-Fi Coaster team in a video coming out in 3 days, which is next Monday. So guys, stay tuned for that, and please be sure to drop a like on this video if you enjoyed it. And with that all being said, people, peace out.